Please press the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon, and never miss an update from PassionateGeekz.
So hey, what's happening SPGs here? So welcome back to PassionateGeekz. So guys, in the previous video we watched how to unlock a bootloader of our Xiaomi device. तो कल हम लोगों ने देखा कि कैसे हम लोगों ने अपने Redmi Note 5 का bootloader अनलॉक किया. बट आज की वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे कि हम लोग कैसे रिकवरी फ्लैश करेंगे इस डिवाइस पे. So guys, there are two ways to flash a recovery in any smartphone or any Xiaomi device. So first method is after root and second is before root. So as you know कि हम लोगों ने पिछले वीडियो में सिर्फ bootloader अनलॉक किया था, so we don't have the root access. So in before root method we need a desktop computer or a laptop because we need to use the CMD, the command prompt. So with the help of the command prompt we can flash a custom recovery on any Xiaomi device or any Redmi device or any device. And the after root method is very simple. After root method we are going to use any app to root our device and flash a custom recovery. So this method is also very simple. For that you also need a USB cable and your device itself, but we also need some drivers. So let's get back to work. And of course, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and if you don't want to miss the videos, please press the bell icon. So let's get started. Okay, so here's my phone and here's my data cable unplugged. So first thing first you need to download the drivers, which is called the Adb drivers or the universal Adb drivers. So for that you need to hit the description link. So once you downloaded the suitable drivers, now you have to open their drivers. To find the location, first you have to install it. Once you install, they will be under your C drive under your program files and under the folder of clockwork mode, and here it is the universal Adb drivers. Just click on that and open it in a separate window, right? Second, you need to open the same drivers that you when you download the Mi flash tool, that compressed folder. So here's my folder. Okay, yeah. So this is my Mi flash unlock folder. So if you can see, this is my Adb drivers in the right, and on the left I have the Mi flash unlock drivers. So first thing first, yeah, you can see my phone is working. So now I have to plug in the data cable. Okay, once you plugged in, if you can see, the USB is charging my device, and my USB debugging is not connected. For that I have to again hit the settings, go to the additional settings, right now I think it is visible. Now under the developer options, click on this USB debugging. Just click on it and click OK. Once the USB debugging is connected, you'll see this pop-up, USB debugging connected, on the notification bar. And if you can see, my data cable is also connected. I don't know where is this coming from. Okay, so now click on shift under the USB Adb driver, right click and open the command shell. So if you are using Windows 10, you will see the screen like this. And also you need to download the TWRP that you also found in the description link. So I'm going to flash the TWRP here, which is a very famous recovery in these devices, or for these devices like Redmi, Xiaomi, you can say Samsung, or there are a lot of devices using the TWRP right now. Okay, make sure that your MI flash unlock tool have this fastboot.exe. Okay, so this is my TWRP, that recovery. So click on your command prompt. So if you're using the Windows 10, then you have to click on write adb reboot bootloader. So when you click on enter, your device will automatically rebooted into the bootloader, that fast boot mode. Just click enter and wait your device to come online. Okay, here I am getting error because my screen is turned off. I have to enable the screen and click on OK. Now again write that adb reboot bootloader and click on enter, and your device will be now in bootloader mode, right? So now switch to the another tab, cross it, switch to another tab, and here right click open shell command here. Now here write fastboot flash recovery twrp.img. okay, and click enter. So you will see my recovery is now installed. Now how to reboot in the recovery? For that again click fastboot boot. Instead of reboot, we have to just use the recovery.img. Fastboot boot recovery twrp.img. I must have forgot. Okay, fastboot boot twrp.img. Okay, now you'll see. So here our recovery installed and booted. So guys, so here's our TWRP recovery. We have successfully installed the TWRP recovery on our Redmi Note 5. So if you're using any Xiaomi device, you use the same method to flash any recovery on your device. So this is it guys. Next time I'll show you how to flash a ROM or any custom recovery in the next upcoming videos. So for now, this is it. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Do like, do share. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.